day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. And today's Thursday, September 28th, 2023. It is 1:58 and 9 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, Haematological cancer. So let's hop to it here. Lower risk of hematological cancer after bariatric surgery. Date September 21st, 2023. Source, University of Gothenburg. The scientific investigators and microbiologists say obesity surgery is associated with a 40% lower risk of hematological cancer. This clear link is expected to influence future research in the field. A researcher studied 2,007 people who underwent bariatric surgery and compared them to a control group of 2,040 individuals, also obese, who did not undergo surgery. The groups were otherwise comparable in terms, gender, age, body composition, cardiovascular risk factors, and psychosocial variables. During the follow-up period, 34 individuals in the surgery group developed hematological cancer in parallel with a significant weight loss. The corresponding number in the control group was 51 hematological cancers, with the group remaining at the level of severe obesity. Most of the blood cancers were lymphomas, and when these were studied separately, there was a 55% reduction in the risk of lymphoma in the group that had undergone bariatric surgery. The corresponding risk reduction for all blood cancers was 40%. In particular, women with high blood sugar at the start of the study seemed to benefit from bariatric surgery. The benefit to the surgery is linked to baseline blood glucose levels. The reduced risk of hematological cancer was much more pronounced if the woman's blood sugar levels were high at the beginning, which clearly shows that blood sugar is an important factor in cancer development. The researchers in the study point out that the mechanisms behind the link between obesity and blood cancers are complex and involve multiple factors, such as chronic inflammation and so-called clonal hematopoiesis, a type of genetically related risk factor for blood cancer. They suggest that the metabolic improvements take place after bariatric surgery, including reduced inflammation, may reduce the risk of cancer. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.